So what we will do in this video, we will install and configure Git on Ubuntu 24, and you can use this guide on both Ubuntu server and Ubuntu desktop. So what we will do, first we will install Git, and after that we will configure Git with the username, email and the default branch name. And also we will configure the bash shell to show Git branch name, and by default bash shell does not show the branch name you are working on, so we will configure that as well. So we will start by installing Git, and for that first update the package list using the command sudo apt update. And then install Git using the command apt install Git. And after the installation you can check the version using the command git ---- version. So now we have installed Git. Let's configure our Git installation, and for Git configuration we are doing the configuration at 3 different levels, and the first one is system level, which applies to all users on the computer, and the next level is global level, which applies to the current user, so all projects created by that user will inherit those global settings. And the third and final level is local level, and we use local level to override global and system settings on a specific project. We don't usually set the system level configurations, instead we will set the global configurations, so all projects under our current user will inherit those settings, and then only when necessary we will override global settings using local configuration for a specific Git project. So what we need to do, set the username, email and the name of the default branch name, and for the command for this is git config ---- global. So first we will run the command git config ---- global ---- list to see our current configuration, and here we don't have any configuration, so first we will set the username using the command git config ---- global user.name, and then set your username and make sure to put the name inside quotes, and then we will set the email, and for the email make sure to use the same one that you will use with your cloud repositories like GitHub or GitLab. And then we also need to configure the default branch name, and we have to set it to main. So we will run the command git config ---- global init.default branch, and we will set it to main. And now we will again check the configuration. So now we have our username, email and the default branch name, and now we are ready to create Git projects on this computer, and let's test our installation by creating a Git project. And here I will create a new project called project1 in my desktop, and then we will cd into that project folder, and then initialize a Git project using the command git init. So now we have a empty Git project, and we can check the status using the command git status, and also we have this .git folder where all our tracking and data will be saved. So now we have Git up and running on our computer, but we have one more thing to do, and that is to configure bash shell to show branch name. And right now I am working on the main branch, but bash shell does not show the branch I am working on, so we will now configure that. So what we need to do, add these 2 lines to our .bashrc file in our home directory, and we will copy these two lines, and you can also find a link to this web page in the video description. So first we will move into our home directory using the cd command, and when you run the cd command without any option, you will be moved into your home folder. And inside this folder, if we run ls-la command, we have this file .bashrc, and this is the file we want to edit. And here you can use any text editor, but here I'm going to use GNOME text editor. And we will add our configuration at the end of the file. Save the file, and after adding the configuration, make sure to reload your bash configuration using the source command. So make sure you are still in the home directory, and then run the command source.bashrc. And now let's go to our git project and see if we can see the branch name in the prompt. And now we can see it shows main as our branch name currently we are working on. So that's how we install and configure Git on Ubuntu 24.